Hang on, I'm still reeling mine out. I don't know where my line's at here.
That one looks cleaner than
It does look clean, doesn't it? Okay, I'm gonna let you get the release on it here.
Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Just let him go.
Let him go. First one today.
To the back?
This thing just wants to like freeze up and stop working. Yeah, I don't think he knew he was hooked to him. Oh my god. He was gulping. Younger. 2.5. Did you see that? Like it was all the way in his mouth. He's upper 2.5, 2 3/4. You ready, buddy? Maybe my fish is bigger than your fish. My fish is bigger. Okay, so I'm gonna put you one on. Instead of digging out the box up there, but I need to put a. How does that even happen? Is it recording? I don't have much time on that. Little guy. This happened to me before, into my thumb, down. Straight up. It was. Oh man. I think you got a hog on. He's a nice. Two plus or 2.5 plus. Let him fight it out.
Yeah, he's better than lost. Yeah, I like this bait way better.
Bait's producing the bites for you, ain't it?
You got a good one just of him?
I'm still recording.
Okay. Oh! Oh!
He's snapping at you. Yeah, right into the sun. Hang on.
Oh, sorry.
She looked huge right there. You just holding him out.
Okay.
Pushing that way. Let him go. You doggy.
Yeah, his teeth got me.
You want to stop on him? Okay. Still going, I'm sorry. I know he's hooked yet. It's a bluegill. He said, ooh, I want some of your action. Oh my god, it's huge. It's fat. Yep.
Oh, he's being.
I always do. That's why I try to point him away from me. I was gonna say, you barely had him. He bounced off. Slipped out. He's gone. KO. She's tearing them up out here now. We switch little baits. He's not big. He just felt big, I think, because we were dragging him so hard. Just start videoing or whatever. Look at that sun's hitting him pretty.